Hello, good day everyone, and today we will see how to convert 2D elevation drawing to 3D rendering view in a short time. Okay, let's see. Example drawing is here. I selected side elevation. Now go plot, previous plot, printer name, universal document converter, A4 size, center the plot, fit to page, monochrome, landscape. Okay, window select window, preview, plot, save desktop, save, rotate. Okay, close. Okay, now go Google Chrome browser, AI mode, click here, click on this icon, add images, desktop, JPG image, select, open, send. Now sign in your Gmail account. Okay, sign in. After signing, go ask anything, type. I want 3D view from this. Click here, send, generating image. It's good, nice view. If you want to download this image, click on this arrow, download image, click here, go image. Okay, nice view. What do you think about this video? Please comment here. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.